Yes, I. Great things again, not my thing, my Imperial Majesty, Emperor Haile Selassie I. Yeah, that one is part two in regards to Anthony Brown and George Flash. Seen? Now one day out of the blue, I'm on up on the corner and man, this Anthony Brown come to me and say, yo, go up and move. See? Man want to see we and things like that. And we go to book and we get a car, rent a car and jump in it and I go down the country. See? But a little incident happened on the way, and I'll explain it to him further down. You know, see? So, he said the route where I take now, Tony Brown chose the route. You know, see? Because that day I want to show you the road them where him travel, where him go, for him escape. Seeing cause I run away be them left from. Forgot Cuba. You know, see? And I walk from Warwick, I got run away be. You know, see, as a crew, as like a troop. See, it take them about 2 days. See, but few intention that day there for sure me and man there's the route them when travel and certain places them have to stop and like certain people where probably help them out or probably certain point of incidents on the route. And then again, because I drive where I drive, and everywhere we can go and see. Seeing, I mean, point from a distance and things like that. I think that's up through Sligo Hill. We go up through Stony Hill and come back down from the back part of the Bagwalk Gorge and we come out somewhere close to Linstead type of thing and join back the main road for Ochi. But it must show the ridge, like the ridge of the mountain type of thing coming from, because Jamaica have a mountain in the middle of it from one end of the island to the next end, and a mountain range that them use. You get what I say? But the terrain mad still and wicked, that's why it takes so long. See? Because again, them go through the mountain and them interact with the surroundings same way. See, you have a man where go and farm in the early morning, they have a man where go about in business in the late night or wave and book up on them and things like that. But to the way how them camouflage up and heavily armed and things like that, a lot of the incidents people think that them are military and even offer them assistance as well. You get what I say? In a lot of areas, them stop and get even, because certain area familiar with soldier runnings getting up in the country there. Like up in the Manic side, going back to, yeah. So, that kind of did help them out, see it. But, yeah, them show certain points, certain areas and things like that where them have to stop and hide. I'm showing me a cave along the way just before you get to Walker's Road. Right on the main road. But the cave that go down, it right on a deep corner. And it go down in the earth. Not like a cave up on a hillside or up on the side of a mountain or hill or nothing. No, it go down in the earth. See? Them show them say them have to spend a day down in there as a crew. You get what I say? Because they are light out upon them and things like that, and a dead region that them can't move no further. Too much suspicion, as you know. See, so think of one day take them for walk from Sligoville side for reach us, because them walk from Warwick to Sligoville side and spend a night somewhere with a connection between Sligo Hill, Brandon Hill type of thing. You get what I say? Spend a night up there with a connection. Think about 6 of them, I'm not sure. But I know about 4. I know 4 man definitely the dep on the check. You get me? Well arms and well just like soldier. No drive. See? Spend a night in the cave and thing like that, and next day them trod on. See? I think them spend a night when them reach Runaway Bay, them reach Ochi and go in the cave or Runaway Bay, Green Grotto Cave. See, and spend a night in there so too. See, or a day, I think, yeah, spend a day in there, because most of the day them rest up. See. But bottom line is when the boatman come and them going on the boat and thing. When the boatman come and to the way them arms up and thing like that, the captain get shook and the captain I say, yo, nah man, I care on man, and I did I expect that wasn't the plan, man, for me can't no malice and a terrorist or whatever. Cause again the boatman know the danger out when the sea that when you look like that. See, so the captain walk well left them. See, and the man them there find themselves stuck. No, cause them a look for everybody like none of them don't know if to drive boat or nothing like that, and the captain a lead. After all of that, the captain walk up on them and say, yo, I'm not carrying no man with too much gun. You see, we never agree to that. You see, but again, we look on the principle as well. Because if I was nowadays, say that the captain that dead from the make a speech that him dead, him now get for walk away. See. Anyway, the man them, bear that level of frustration there for a bit. Only for a couple of minutes. See, because there and then, the captain second, seeing, so look on them and say, yo, alright, no worry man, me do it. Seeing? So the captain second, it wasn't the real captain for the boat. Carry them. Little normal fishing boat still. It wasn't the real captain carry them. I'm like apprentice. Seeing? Put them on the boat and say, come. Seeing? Captain walk on. And them do water. Seeing? And them go a water still. See, but from my knowledge, I don't know if we get it confused or what, but somebody tell me so the cave in a green grotto lead out now the sea. See? Not the when I say you walk you go down through the cave in a Discovery Bay, the green grotto cave. You go down in the cave and it have a passageway, a tunnel way will lead you out into the sea. So you come out into the sea and you take the boat out there. So the slave them used to hide night and that's what them used to run away from. And that's them name Bookman or something like that. Run from God Haiti and argument like them. But we know open knowledge a slave used to hide in them place and things. Well, Tony Brown and George Fresh and the rest of the crew, like little mass up them and a couple more man. I remember more man name now with the mistake. Hiding in that cave there. Seen till night time. See it. And when night time come, captain say, yo, I'm not carry on in the car. Too much gun man. Yeah. See? So them see the captain man, the second take the man and do the journey with them, carry them guys see. And I'm reaching the Cuban waters. See? And a coast guard type of thing. See along upon them and big light and thing like that because them time the Cuba look out for any American assault and invasion type of thing. It's not long before that he did have the Bear Pigs attempt invasion in a Cuba, so so Cuba well prone and vigilant and I look for them type of thing. Seeing so see this fishing boat a man, a sailor come again like the Bear Pigs. I tell you say Coast Guard fly down upon them man and a big gun, but them are talking in Spanish and no man upon the boat not speak Spanish. See, and every man in the arm with beer machine guns, so the soldier them ready to kill them off. See it. And one thing save them. Tony Brown think quick and shout out, Michael Manley. Those are know enough Spanish. Them don't know enough Spanish. I don't know nothing. Them just in on the boat like, we say like sitting ducks star. And the Cuban soldier, they're more than ready to mash up that because them just not long ago, a couple of years ago, had an attempted invasion where the CIA recruited some Cubans abroad, some exiled Cubans and things like that, and try send them back for go overthrow the government or something like that. I don't know what the plan was. You get what I say? And seemed like an impossible endeavor to me anyway. See. So the Cuban did prepare for anything any event like that cracking up again. So you can imagine the scenario and see. You get what I say? But yeah, that was a little, you know what I say, another little rundown in the life and times. I'm a general still. Don't know. More bless, share, like, and subscribe. Rastafari.